7-Up changes its iconic recipe for first time in 15 years. Coca-Cola's Sprite remains the dominant lemon-lime soda in America and has ranked among the top 5 best-selling soft drinks in America overall in both 2024 and 2025, according to Beverage Digest. PepsiCo's Starry, launched in 2023 to replace Sierra Mist, has not managed to close that gap. Keurig Dr Pepper, however, is responding by abandoning the traditional lemon-lime formula for 7-Up. The brand is becoming a lime-lemon drink, the first recipe change in over 15 years, and a reversal of the order it has used since the 1920s. It's not surprising considering that the lemon-lime segment is worth about $5 billion. The change applies to all its regular zero-sugar, cherry, and cherry zero-sugar versions. Keurig Dr Pepper, in a recent statement regarding the announcement, said nothing in the category has led with lime before. Packaging is also getting a makeover, with cans receiving a vertical logo and a heavier color scheme. This is a bold reinvention of one of America's most iconic soda brands for a new generation of consumers, said Drew Panayotou, Chief Marketing and Innovation Officer at Keurig Dr Pepper. He added that the goal is a sharper visual identity, a more refreshing taste experience, and a distinct position that attracts new users and deepens brand loyalty. Company research backs the move toward a sharper flavor. Its beverage trend report found that 72% of Gen Z and Gen Alpha drinkers prefer citrus-forward flavors, while 64% seek bold and intense taste profiles. 7-Up is not the only legacy brand under the Keurig banner that's betting on refresh to capture this demographic. The company's RC Cola got a similar treatment earlier this year and has been repositioned as a plain cola. Both brands essentially chose to refine their existing offerings rather than pursue new acquisitions. These efforts come as Keurig prepares for a massive structural reformation. By early 2027, Keurig will split its beverages and coffee businesses into 2 separate entities. The strategy is backed by solid momentum, with the beverages segment reporting $2.9 billion in second quarter net sales, a 10% year-over-year increase.